What if the hours you spend asleep were the only time your arteries could actually begin repairing themselves? Most people damage their arteries all day, then unknowingly waste the one window their body has to reverse it. No supplements, no extreme diets, no complicated routines. In the United States, heart disease remains the leading cause of death, with one person dying every 34 seconds from cardiovascular disease. Every single day, your arteries absorb damage from stress, blood pressure spikes, processed foods, and unstable blood sugar. Over time, they stiffen, narrow, and quietly lose their flexibility. That forces your heart to work overtime just to push blood where it needs to go. But here's what almost no one talks about. While you sleep, your body enters its most powerful repair phase. And what you do before bed can determine whether that repair happens or never starts at all. In this video, you'll discover a simple nighttime blend made from 3 common kitchen ingredients, supported by real physiology, designed to help support blood vessels naturally. Stay with us, because once you understand how these ingredients work together, you'll never look at nighttime the same way again. We'll break down how each ingredient works inside your arteries, and at the end, we'll make the exact mixture step by step. There will be a timestamp in the description so you can jump straight to the recipe if you want. Before we go deeper, let me take one moment. If you're watching this right now, it tells me something important. You care about your health and the people who depend on you. That commitment matters. Please take 1 second to support this message by tapping the like button below. It helps this information reach others who need it just as much. If this is your first time here, welcome. This channel is dedicated to natural healing, science-backed wellness, and simple habits that make a real difference. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And one more thing, I'd love to know where you're watching from. We have people joining from all over the world. Drop your country in the comments below and let's build this global health community together. So how do arteries actually become damaged? Every day, your arteries take a beating from inflammation, stress hormones, blood pressure spikes, sugar, and heavily processed oils. All of this slowly damages the delicate inner lining of your arteries called the endothelium. When this lining becomes inflamed and rigid, several problems begin to stack up. Blood pressure rises, circulation weakens, and nitric oxide, your body's natural artery relaxer, starts to shut down. And this is the point most people never notice. The damage doesn't stop at plaque. As nitric oxide declines, your arteries lose their ability to relax and widen. Your heart is forced to pump harder through tighter, narrower pathways. This damage accelerates when LDL cholesterol becomes oxidized, sticky, and toxic, causing more irritation and wear. Unstable blood sugar adds another layer, triggering glycation and stiffness inside arterial walls. This nightly blend is designed to give that entire system a break, allowing your arteries to regain flexibility and improve oxygen flow naturally. The ingredients are simple: high-quality extra virgin olive oil, a small amount of raw honey, and cinnamon. Ingredient number 1 is extra virgin olive oil. This first ingredient doesn't just protect arteries, it sends them a signal. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is rich in biologically active compounds called polyphenols, especially hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein. These aren't just antioxidants. They actively influence how your arteries behave. Studies show these compounds help counter oxidative stress, inflammation, and arterial stiffness. Here's where this gets interesting. They stimulate an enzyme inside your arteries called endothelial nitric oxide synthase, often referred to as eNOS. When eNOS switches on, your body releases nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that tells arteries to relax and expand. It's like flipping a switch for better circulation and healthier blood pressure. Research presented at an American Heart Association scientific session suggested that consuming just over half a tablespoon of olive oil daily was associated with improved heart health. Extra virgin olive oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats. These fats help lower harmful LDL cholesterol while maintaining or increasing HDL cholesterol. They protect vessel walls from oxidative damage and reduce the chance of LDL becoming toxic, a key step in plaque formation. One long-term study found that people who consumed 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily were about 30% less likely to develop heart disease than those on a low-fat diet. Ingredient number 2 is raw honey. This next ingredient looks simple, but its timing is everything. Raw honey contains a wide range of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids known to support cardiovascular health. These compounds may help improve blood flow by supporting healthy arterial dilation and reducing clot formation risk. Research suggests honey can improve multiple cardiovascular risk markers. While the American Heart Association classifies honey as an added sugar, the very small amount used here serves a specific purpose. In a study involving 55 participants, Honey consumption was associated with a 5.8% reduction in LDL cholesterol and a 3.3% increase in HDL cholesterol compared to table sugar. That tiny amount of honey may also help reduce nighttime cortisol levels. When cortisol drops, arteries can relax more effectively, allowing nitric oxide to remain active longer during sleep. Ingredient number 3 is cinnamon, and this final ingredient solves a problem that silently ruins artery health. A light sprinkle of cinnamon, preferably Ceylon cinnamon, is the safer option for regular use. Cassia cinnamon, the most common variety, contains higher levels of coumarin, which may strain the liver when used in large amounts. Cinnamon's power comes from its main active compound, cinnamaldehyde. It helps combat inflammation and provides antioxidant protection to blood vessels. Stable blood sugar is critical for arterial health. When glucose stays balanced, there's less stress, less glycation, and less stiffness in artery walls. A review of 13 studies found that cinnamon was associated with reductions in total cholesterol and triglycerides, both major cardiovascular risk factors. Other studies suggest cinnamon may help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure while supporting higher HDL cholesterol. HDL plays a key role in removing harmful LDL from circulation. On their own, these ingredients help. Together, they do something very different. Olive oil helps open arteries. Honey helps calm stress signals. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar and inflammation. This synergy supports your body's natural vascular reset every single night. You're addressing inflammation from multiple angles, supporting healthier blood lipids, and improving circulation while your body is primed for repair. Here's how to prepare it. Mix 1 teaspoon of each ingredient together, add the blend to a glass of lukewarm water, and stir well until fully combined. Drink it about 1 hour before bedtime. This timing allows your body to absorb the active compounds properly so they are circulating as you enter deep sleep, when your arteries are most receptive to repair and recovery. While you sleep, nitric oxide activity increases, blood vessels soften, and heart rate naturally lowers. Over time, many people notice warmer hands and feet, clearer mental focus, and steadier morning energy. These are signs your circulation is improving. Now, this is where the real advantage comes in. Sleep isn't passive. It's one of the most active repair phases your body has. During deep sleep, blood pressure naturally drops, giving your heart and arteries a much-needed break. Repair hormones are released, helping restore tissues, including the delicate endothelium lining your blood vessels. Chronic inflammation fuels plaque buildup, and quality sleep is one of your strongest defenses. By taking this mixture before bed, you're supplying supportive compounds right as your body enters its most important repair window. This is important, so listen closely. This mixture isn't for everyone. If you have diabetes, monitor blood sugar carefully and consult your doctor. Although the honey amount is small, it is still a sugar. Cinnamon may also lower blood sugar, which could amplify diabetes medications. If you're taking blood thinning medication, talk with your healthcare provider. Cinnamon, especially cassia, contains coumarin, which may affect clotting. Those on blood pressure medication should monitor levels closely. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals, anyone with liver conditions, or those on regular medication should consult a physician before starting a new routine. Now listen carefully. Your arteries are not lifeless tubes that simply wear out with age. They are living tissue, designed to heal, adapt, and respond to the right signals. People who protect their arteries early don't wait for a diagnosis. They act before damage becomes permanent. Every heartbeat is your body asking for care. This nightly routine is not a miracle cure, but it is a powerful act of support within a healthy lifestyle. You can't buy new arteries, but you can help restore the ones you have. Small choices, done consistently, quietly change the direction of your health. If this video helped you, please share it with someone you care about. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay well.